Utah, Texas, Tennessee, California, Pennsylvania, New York, Washington, Wyoming, Nevada, South Carolina.
Can you take a picture of it?
Mm-hmm.
Click it.
I did.
Wow.
Now, can you tell me what they are? Now you do it.
Texas, Utah, Tennessee, California, Pennsylvania,
What's this one?
Washington,
What's this purple one?
Nevada,
Good job. And what's this one?
South Carolina,
Good job.
California,
And how old are you?
3,
Good job. And what's your name?
3,
No, what's your name?
Ava, Lida,
Ava Lena. And what's Ava Lena what?
Wyoming.